Hi, my name is Talia, and I am part of the Stern Tech support team. Today, we are going to walk you through the Insider Connected and show you how easy it is to set up.
Contents of kit. Note: due to COVID-related parts availability issues, your kit may contain either a Wi-Fi dongle or an antenna kit and dongle assembly. You will need to do a code update using a USB stick one last time. After you are connected, all future updates will happen via your internet connection. Go to this web address. Download and install the latest code for your game. See code download and installation instructions at this web address. Open the README to see full instructions. Turn your game off for 15 seconds, then turn the game back on. Verify that the installation was successful before moving on. Installing the components in the back box. Install the supplied microSD card as shown in picture. Then install either the Wi-Fi dongle or the antenna and dongle assembly. You may also use an Ethernet cable instead of either of the Wi-Fi units mentioned above for a faster and more robust connection. If you choose to connect via Ethernet, run a Cat5e cable from your router into the cabinet that's shown. Reinstall the back glass and close the speaker display panel. Installing your QR reader node. Remove the lockdown front molding assembly and the glass. For pro games, remove the instruction card and pricing cards. Using an 11/32 nut driver, remove the indicated nuts. Lift your black plastic bottom arch off the game. Install the supplied Ethernet cable into the RJ45 connector on the QR node module and into the new arch module. Run cable through hole in playfield as shown and connect to node board number 8 under the playfield as shown. You may have to remove the filler plug from the node connector. Reinstall the washers and nuts that you removed. You may choose to use the red and white card on the right side and replace the instructions on the left. For premium LE, raise the playfield and locate the two nuts near the flipper plates that mount the front wall of the bottom arch. Using an 11/32 nut driver, remove the nuts and washers. Using a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws at the playfield hanger brackets. Turn the arch over and using a 1/4 inch nut driver, remove the 3 nuts holding the right side corner plastic. Install the QR module plastic assembly in place of the plastic. Then replace and tighten the 3 nuts. Plug the Ethernet cable into the module and reinstall the arch. Thread the cable through the playfield hold as indicated. And connect to the node number 8 PCB under the playfield as shown. You may have to remove the filler plug from the connector. Power up your game and enter the diagnostics menu by pressing the black button on the coin door twice. The black button is the Enter button on any menu. Use the red buttons to navigate the Net menu. The green button exits any menu. Go to Set up connection. Select Wi-Fi or wired. Locate your network and enter your password. Then, on your phone or at a computer or tablet, go to www.sternpinball.com/insider and set up a free account. Once you have an account, return to the game menus and select Stern Insider Connected from the Setup menu. Scan your QR code on the QR reader as shown in the image. On your profile page at the Insider Connected website, finish registering your game by entering your address and following the prompts. And now, you can enjoy Insider Connected.